Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be making an Easter themed slime. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna get is my base. So, yeah. So for my theme for this one, I think I'm gonna do I wanna say carrot, like a carrot theme one because like bunnies eat carrots and the Easter bunny. So I think that's what we're gonna do. It's so sticky. I obviously gotta get more because that's not even enough. So let's get more. Okay, I think that should be good. Now, this slime is going to be like a little mini slime, so it's not gonna be like a full big sized slime. So yeah, let's get started. I am going to be using my little bowl. I really don't know what color bowl I should do. I think I'm gonna do like a white bowl, but like, you know. Okay, so we're going to be needing this and this. And obviously we're gonna need some orange glitter. Isn't this so pretty? I don't know if I should do that one or like a lighter orange. I'm debating. There's just so many options on like really everything. Okay. So, it's stuck to me. Woo. We're gonna split this in half. So sticky. I'm adding in some activator to hopefully, you know, like activate the slime because it's like sticky and I don't like it. So the base I'm using is a glossy base. So I don't really have any like bunny charms. Actually, I do, but they don't really go on theme with the slime. So they're not really like plain like bunnies. They're like pink bunnies and blue bunnies, which if I do make like a pastel one, I guess it could go with. Yep, okay. These are perfect. So this is gonna be the white base, and this is gonna be the orange base. I'm gonna rip off some paper towel so I can clean up this extra activator because I don't need it all. I need this surface. Okay, so for this, I'm gonna dye this 2 drops. Oop, that was a little much, don't you think, Kira? I think so. And a drop of that. So cool. Ha. I don't think I'm going to dye my hands today, so I'm going to use a little mixing bowl and a spatula. It's very bright. Now I got yellow on my thumb. Okay, so I'm going to continue mixing. Make sure I really get it all. Because I don't want this marbly. I want it like thoroughly mixed. You can see like that marble. Just keep on mixing. Whoa. Got orange on the side of the thing. Oh well. Okay, now I'm going to start mixing with my hands because they should be good. That is honestly like the perfect like carrot like theme. Okay, this is like the best orange of color. I mean, this is like the best like shade of orange I've ever made. So it's honestly really good. Wow, that's really pretty. Moving on. I don't know if I'm going to use this, but I'm just going to put it over here. It's like a measuring thing. Don't know what to call it. And I'm going to get some, I don't really have a carrot scent. So I'm going to get some things out. Okay, and I'm gonna get the little carrots, which are technically under fruit slices, which they really shouldn't be. So it should be under vegetable slices, but I really don't have any other vegetable slices to add. Lots of carrots, because I don't ever use carrots. Because, like, who wants a carrot themed slime? Like, not even if it's, like, on theme. Unless it's, like, Easter, then I understand. But, like, I guess if you really like carrots, which, no hate if you like carrots. Moving on. So we got our, like, little add-ins. And we got our glitter. Wow, this is gonna be so pretty. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I need something to put these in. I think I'm gonna put them in this clear container. Trying to flatten it. So pretty. And last but not least, I need to find a charm for this slime to see if I have any like bunny charms. Okay, so I'm probably gonna pass out, like, I mean not pass out, oh my gosh, pass up lots of little bunny charms, but it's okay. We're gonna try to find as many as we can. I'm not gonna pass out, by the way. I accidentally said that. Oops. Keep looking. I don't really find any. I'm already running out. Any like Eastery ones, I guess I can put in here. Like this little chicken or whatever. I guess is this like an Easter one? I don't really know. With like, I'm just gonna put it in here because I don't really know. Like, some people might think it's Eastery. Wow, we actually do have a ton of bunnies. I'm gonna find my like blue one had a blue one. I guess I don't really know. Like, whoop. Hit the camera. We already have that one in there. We already have that one in there. Is this Eastery? I'm just gonna put it in there. That's cute. What is this? Oh. Like, what is that? Like, I don't even know. Okay, I think that's all the, oh, I just seen one. Like this second. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I'm going crazy. I think I'm going crazy. Moving on. Okay, so we have our little like charm mix. Do any really scream Easter with me? Some could say this would ruin the whole look. I'll add them at the end, but I don't think they really go with this slime. This is so cool. Okay, so let's mix it in. This is so cool. I love the slime and how it turned out. I love this orange color. It's so pretty. I like how it literally like went silent for forever, but like besides the point. I like giving like a moment of silence for the slime so you can really hear it. Honestly, this is a really cool slime and I am really surprised on how this one came out. It's so pretty. I honestly really do love this slime. But anyways, bye!